inflation has started to come down. It peaked for the last year around 7% on the personal consumption expenditures price index that we follow at the Fed. It's down to about 5%, still way above our 2% goal. We're seeing inflation come down mostly now in the commodities and the goods prices, and I think that does reflect some of the pandemic effects fading. We're seeing supply chains opening up much more globally, so those things are all good to bring down those factors of inflation. We're also seeing some signs that demand for housing is slowing. We're seeing that in the housing data. We're also seeing that in the rent data for the new rents that people are signing new leases, their new leases on. So we're seeing signs of inflation slowing, but inflation is still very high. And I would just mention that some of this core services inflation, excluding housing, that hasn't budged yet. So still got our work cut out for us to get inflation back to 2%.